Hi everyone, please join me for work. I will use 1.4 millimeters crochet hook and a ball of yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. In this video you will see how to crochet simple flowers that I created recently for you. For this project you can use any colors. All information about the tools could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. Make a chain of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The foundation chain is ready. And join the chain and round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Make 16 single crochet stitches into the ring. Make a chain. Make 16 single crochet into the ring. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. I'm done 16 single crochet stitches into the ring. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first single crochet, make a slip stitch. My ring is ready. Let's crochet the second round. For the first petal, make a chain, make single crochet into the same stitch, make a chain, insert the hook into 2 loops, make 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. In total it should be 5 such stitches. I'm done the first time. Make a chain, insert the hook into 2 loops, make 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. Make a chain, insert the hook into 2 loops, make 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. I'm done 3 times. I just need to do 2 more. In total it should be 5 of them. Make a chain, 1, 2, 3, chain, insert the hook into 2 loops, 1, 2, 3. Here what I have. I have got small cord. Continue, make a chain, insert the hook into 2 loops, pull up a loop like this. I am working in the same 2 loops that I did stitches. 1, 2, 3, 3. Make the fourth one. Insert the hook into 2 loops. 5. I have got 6 loops on the hook. Then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. I do not make in chains. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make single crochet. So let's stop and look. My first cute petal is ready. In total it should be 8 such petals. I'm done the first one. This is my own pattern. It is very beautiful and simple at the same time. Let's crochet the next petal. I'm done the first single crochet, make a chain, insert the hook into 2 loops, make 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, make a chain, insert the hook into 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, chain, 1, 2, 3. I'm done 3 times, make a chain, 1, 2, 3, the fourth one, chain, 1, 2, 3. I'm done the 5th time, make a chain, insert the hook, pull up loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, insert the hook into the 5th time. I have got 6 loops on the hook. You should check yourself. Yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. My petal is almost ready, I just need to join. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make single crochet. In total it should be 8 of them. Then you should continue working by yourself. I'm about to complete this round. And let's repeat how to crochet my petal one more time. I'm doing the last my petal. Make a chain, insert the hook 2 loops, pull up a loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have got 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through. My beautiful petal is almost ready. I just need to finish it. Insert the hook between chains and single crochet. Insert the hook between. make a slip stitch like this to secure the yarn by making a chain. I have already cut off my yarn. As you can see, my beautiful and cute flower is ready. I just need to remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the work. Let's stop and look what I have done. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks when I am done. It is very easy to make flower, you just need to know how to work with basic stitches. This is my own flower pattern that I created recently for you. This flower could be perfect for decoration or it could be like separate motif. Also you can use them in Irish orgy pure laces or another techniques. You can choose any color of yarn and your favorite crochet hook for this project. All information about the tools, kind of tools and useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. You can put it like this. So I put all my petals together and it could be perfect to create a brooch or pendant. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my projects, patterns and lace tape, cords and other elements. I remind you, so this is project perfect for beginners. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!